Hello, find load resistance RL for maximum power transfer for the given circuit. We use here for solution Thevenin's theorem, and first we will found the Rab equal to Rth Thevenin resistance by voltage source replaced by short circuit. So Rth equal to 1 ohm, and second we find VAB Vth equal to 1 volt DC by dividing the 2 volt DC across R1 and R2 by voltage divider network. So for above circuit, maximum power is transferred if RL equal to Rth, and Rth is the Thevenin resistance of the network. So power maximum transfer P maximum equal to Vth square divided by 4 Rth. This equal to power maximum equal to 1 square divided by 4 multiplied by 1. This equal to 1 upon 4 equal to 0.25 watt. And RL load resistance equal to 1 ohm. Okay, thank you.